Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove that little Learn About This Picture icon on your Windows 11 desktop. Let's talk about what this icon actually is. It's part of the Windows Spotlight feature, which automatically changes your desktop background with beautiful images provided by Microsoft. The Learn About This Picture icon appears when you hover over the desktop and lets you explore more about the image. Now, let's remove it. To do this, we'll need to disable Windows Spotlight. Right-click on the desktop and select Personalize, then click on Background. Under the Personalize Your Background section, change the setting from Windows Spotlight to Picture or Solid Color. Select any image or solid color as your new background. And that's it. The icon should disappear immediately. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.